Hello and welcome to another video brought to you by Appliance Reliance. Today we'll be working on a Neptune gas dryer with the issue of not heating. Unfortunately, there are more than one thing that could cause a dryer not to heat, and we will be exploring one of those things. Now here's how we disassemble the unit. You will need to open the dryer door, find the 4 screws around the perimeter of the door, and take them all out. Once you remove all 4 screws, you will lift slightly on the door and pull away from the dryer. The door should separate. You can set it aside, and then the same thing with the panel. Just pull it away from the dryer. It will separate. You can lift it up and out of the way. The following steps are dangerous, so perform them at your own discretion. Holding down this door switch will allow you to run the dryer in cycle. This is helpful most of the time because you can visually see what is going on and why the dryer is not doing what it's supposed to be doing. In a gas dryer, the igniter should turn on and glow bright red in the first 30 seconds. And here we clearly see that our igniter is not turning on. Also, the dryer is equipped with a flame sensor, which monitors the temperature of the igniter. Once the igniter reaches proper temperature, the flame sensor says, "Hey, look, we're good to go. The temperature is just perfect. Let's get this sucker fired up." And that's when you will hear the gas valve turn on with a click. And almost instantly, the chamber should be filled with fire. I'm gonna go ahead and test the igniter for resistance. Got my alligator clips installed, got them hooked up to my multimeter, and what are we reading? Nothing. The igniter is definitely bad and does need to be replaced. These type of connectors are not the easiest to undo, so have patience and try not to break. I can easily see the burn mark on the old igniter when comparing the old and the new igniter together. Time to test the unit. Again, please be careful when performing this step. Thank you for watching this repair video. Please like and subscribe for more videos to come.